Alright, Nathan, get off, fam. I said Ronaldo, fam. I'm playing. Alright, get off, fam.
Can you get a stay at that top? Get a stay at that top. Just stay at that top.
Oh, someone get out, fam.
F and F.
Sham, you, fam. Shiraz.
Stop that.
Shiraz, get out, fam.
Stop that. Don't do that.
It's a bit blurry, hold on.
You're a cameraman.
Yeah, alright, Benny, the cameraman, bro.
Oh,
I can't lie, it's a bit cold for the hoodies. My hands are already cold.
Hey, Benny! Baller, fam.
Benny, the cameraman, yeah? There you go.
Bro, it's sad, bro. Sad, fam. Sad, fam.
I should have brought you my whistle, man.
What?
I should have brought you my whistle, bro.
What, where's the whistle, man?
Oh, I didn't know you were reffing.
Ooh. Why are you holding your willy, bro?
Have you not got time?
Huh? Nah, that's literally.
That's what you were recording.
What, who's this?
I low-key had a sense like
Who's this?
Hi, guys. Hey, chill out.
Bro, what's going on? Hey, who are you, man?
Wait, can I
Bro, I'm recording. What?
I want to come to you. No, when you in it.
Hey, Niger. Hey.
Mind your power, my
Hey.
brother. Are you recording today?
Bro, I'm recording, fam. That's Ashraf for you, fam. Hey, you telling me, bro? Ah, this is a retired pro. He's back. Retired pro is back. Huh? Fam, I was going gymming and then these people rang me, fam. Hey, Will Penny, fam. Will Penny, fam. What are you telling me, fam? Bro, there's bare ballers to do, you know.
Aye, I'm off again.
Yes, man.
Oh, I love it, Joe. I'm back if you want. Go cover line.
Do back quick.
Cover line.
Nate, one more. Oh, Shiraz, call for the ball, bruv. Why you stand like a statue, bro? It's a foul, mate. Bro, that's a foul, man. That's a foul. The ball is back. The baller. Alright, give the ball to Ash, bruv. Nah, he didn't. Not enough. Just talk, just talk. Woo, hoo, hoo. Oh, what a ball. Oh, okay. And I'm a friend. Yeah, I'm a friend or not.
Yes, go! If you want. Use him. Drop off now. You good?
Bro, fam, that's a foul, man. That's a foul. 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 That's a foul.
Yeah, man. Chest. Let's use a quick one, man. Man on. Yeah.
on, Lucky.
Fam, house man still got it, fam. Oh, take your time, Nev. Keep the ball. Ashraf Masabuku. Come on, fam. Teach them the Zanzibar thing. Bro, it's a good pass, man. I'll give it back to him. Give it back to Ash. Woo! Orogu. Where's Orogu? Hey, come on, man. Bro, what's going on? What a ball. What a ball. What a touch. What a touch.
Minus. Yep. Step on it.
Ashraf Masabuku. Hey, nah. Hey, Ash, you're punishing Nate, bro. Punishing Nate's team. What?
Man on.
Bro, get involved, Jazz, bro. What are you doing here? Yes! See what I'm talking about, bruv? Fucking hell, Jazz. Well done.
Man on.
Ooh, what a turn.
Yep.
Unlucky next, mate. Six, 1. Foul. He didn't get the ball. Oi, foul. Foul to OJ. Foul to OJ, bruv. Foul to OJ, bruv. Yo, what are you telling me? What are you saying, bruv? Bro, I'm just... I don't know where he is, innit? I don't think he's got something stuck in it. Give me about 10 minutes, innit? I'll hit you up. You know where the Sainsbury is? Yeah. 8-1. Bro, you man are getting popped, bro.
10. We won 10 for the camera. I want that on YouTube as well.
Say nothing, fam. Bug it then. Cheese, 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 cheese. Alright, I got it, fam. Nah, Wes is getting so much confidence, fam. Woo. That's not far, bruv. He had the ball, bruv. Yes, Ash. Oi, Ash is getting so much confidence, fam. Oh, you man, take him out of the game. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oi, do them. Oi. Come on, give it to Ash. Give it to Ash.
1-1.
Merci beaucoup. Bro, OJ is trying, you know. You man are not trying at all, fam. OJ is the only person trying, fam. Bro, you man are killing him, bruv. I know who my donkey is, fam. I know who my donkey is.
Smash. Don't even say sorry. I'm not crying, bruv. You say sorry every time you mess up, bruv. You don't mean that sorry. You just say it.
What a ball. I saw that coming. 9-11. Woo. 9-11. Woo, for the camera. For the camera. Hey, give it back to him. Fucking hell, Rush. Ooh! I know if I leave him, he's gonna fuck up. He's gonna fuck up, bro. I know, fam. No. Nah, fam. Nah, fam. Nah, fam. Oh, that's it, boys. That's it, boys. Hey, how was the game, man?
Oh, fuck the game, man.
How was the game, man? How was the game, man? Yeah, come on, man. Hey, man of the match, man of the match. Man of the match, man. Hey, man of the match, man of the match.
They've been asking for me to come in and so I was like, you know what?
Say something.
I'm free today, man. What do you want to know? What do you want to know?
Ah, bro, how was the game, bro? You came out, obviously, from goalkeeper
yeah.
back to 2 or 3. Bro, how do you feel after the game, bro?
I'm happy, man. We've done what we needed to do. Obviously, it started off slowly, but we were just assessing how they play and stuff. But once we saw the weaknesses and stuff, we was like, you know what? let's turn it up now.
He's saying that. Man of the match. Hey, captain.
Thanks for the fans as well. Thanks for the fans.
This is the losing team. Losing team. That's the captain, bro. Losing team. How do you feel after the game? How do you feel after the game, bro?
Bro, check the video.
How do you feel after the game?
Who scored our only goal?
Bro.
Who scored our only goal?
Like BBC, bro. Focus on what's important, man. I lie.
Bro, OJ. How was the game, bro? How do you feel after the game?
Bigger matters, bro.
How do you feel after the game,
Bro,
bro?
my team didn't run. Ask the captain. Ask the captain. What kind of setup is
Yeah, I
that?
saw you though. Not gonna lie, I saw you
I'm the
do
only
all the
person
work.
running.
Yeah,
Only
I
one
saw
doing
you do all the
everything.
work. Yeah. So, what do you feel? Maybe next time, would you
Bro,
feel?
next time I said from the start, change the teams.
Change the
Teams weren't
teams,
fair. Look at it. That's why.
What do you mean?
Teams weren't fair.
Winning team captain and losing team captain.
Also, no, I don't care if you're fuck out my interview.
Why?
Get the fuck out my interview.
Yes.
Bro, I can't. Yo.
We're in the thumbnail, bro. We're in the thumbnail, bro.
Yeah, come on, boys. Well done, boys. Well done, boys.
Thanks for the fans as well, man.
Well done, boys.
Benny, every week they tell
You should be embarrassed.
Saying that in fam.
OJ, you should be embarrassed.
This guy's always beefing people,
No, but you should
bro.
say you're embarrassed as well. You're not part of numbers. You're not part of numbers.
I am non-big.
Tell them, yeah? 10 goals, no reply.
Go on, what you say?
Bro, we scored 10 goals straight, no reply.
10 goals scored straight, no
One goal in
reply.
2 hours they scored, by the way. And no proper keepers as well.
10, 9-1.
That man called themselves strikers and that.
We're losing
One goal in
team.
2 hours, man. And no proper keepers as well.
Ronaldo, what are you saying?
I don't want to talk.
Do you know who your donkey is?
I don't want to talk.
I know who my donkey is. Ben Will, what's up?
First game back.
Yeah?
8 weeks out.
Yeah, come on. Say nothing. I know who my donkey is. Let's do the donkey. Ronaldo.
OJ just puts in, solid 10
Thank you,
minutes
mate.
at the end.
Thank you, mate.
I ran the whole fucking pitch. Nah, I don't care. I did my job for this team. That's it.
Bro, you carried that team, man. You carried that team, fam.
Nah, there's not much I can do.
You carried that
There's not
team,
much I can
fam.
do. Everyone else look in the mirror.
You carried that team, fam. Alright, donkeys, ASAP, bruv. Ash, fucking donkeys, bruv.
Make sure you get
Wait, did Raf cut? Hey, Raf, that's a ball win. That's a ball win.
Yo, I hear.
The first one.
Get out, bro. It's donkey. Get out. You gotta do donkey. Get out. Get out. Get out.
If I'm not smiling, but I'm not happy.
Bro, listen, after a while you gotta do what you gotta do, bro. No one even wants to try.
That's what I told you. That's what it is.
No one wants to try. I will foul every single one of you. Fuck's sake. At least I'm doing something. Off you go, bro. Captain Nate,
listen.
Team DTN.
Listen, we started very well. 1-0 up, and we had chances to bury them, and we didn't. So, like, that's football. If you don't take your chances, it's gonna bite you. And I think at the end, we were just walking, man. We just had enough. My donkey, Rafiq, we go forward, and then we're just going backwards. A few shots to make it 2-3-0, missed it, then he just went missing. I think he just come to his car probably 10 minutes after the game started, didn't it? So I'm going Rafiq.
Alright, who's next? Hashim.
Well, it's a shame because I could only pick one person today. How long were we there? An hour and a half, 1 goal.
It's embarrassing.
We had like 5 shots overall,
It's embarrassing.
1 on target.
4 of them were OJ. Just saying.
I have to give him Rafiq.
Oh, you know, that's cheap, man. That's cheap.
Rafiq
Yeah,
too.
but he was up front, bro.
Who else?
I didn't get
Rafiq
a
too.
shot.
But you man also
Joe.
scored 9 goals, by the way.
Joe.
Yeah, for like,
Yo, wait, move. You're a winner. Move.
Alright.
Let's see.
Just
Alright, move your phone,
just
bro.
because he didn't move the ball quick enough and got caught too many times, I'll go Farhan.
Right. Farhan. Fems.
I can name the whole team, honestly.
They can't. He's mistaken.
All of us, but I can't. Now, OJ was, if we didn't have OJ, it would have been done. I have to go with Joel, because I feel like he could have done, he's a better player than that, and he could have done a lot more with the ball. Like, I just feel like he's a better player than that.
Okay, Farhan.
Joel. I've seen a lot sharp in previous sessions. I think it was too soft.
I tell that you to lock his car off,
I don't
bro.
think they're in midfield. What's showing enough? I think DK.
Yeah. Yo, Farhan. Look, listen, yeah. There's only so much I can do. There's only really so much I can do for this team. Yeah, because there's about 4 or 5 of them today, and I'm really struggling.
Name all 5. Name all 5.
Name all 5. We could do joint. I'm not doing top 3.
Bro, if I didn't play, we would have lost the game in the first 10 minutes.
Nah, I'm not doing top 3. However, this player, I've seen what he can do, and he disappointed me. Like when you're disappointed and you're like looking at him in the eyes and saying, bro, I'm looking like, bro, last week you weren't doing this.
My hands are way too close.
I put him in that CDM role to lock it down. And I'm sorry. DK, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
He wasn't even on your team.
He took him.
He wasn't on your team.
I had to think.
The passion wasn't there.
I know.
The passion wasn't there. I don't know what's going on outside the pitch, but it wasn't there on the pitch. Who else? Rafa? DK. Oh, DK as well.
I'll say Nathan, just because of the quality and the ball. I would say that's it.
Is that it? Yeah. Everyone else give a speech.
No.
Shut.
Raf, your donkey, please. Your donkey.
My donkey. Everyone I'll send you is 30. What? I'll
Hey,
give it to I feel like DK today. I've never that's like I saw last week. Last week you were on it.
Come on, man, you can't mess with me.
Oh yeah. So that's my
DK, that's it. That's 3, I think. Oh, that's 2. That's 2. Me, Farhan, and Raf. Yeah, that's it done.
But that's majority.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, is it 3 as well? Look at this. Benny's a neutral. So he's gonna give it. Oh, what's the scores though? Is it not 3? Is it 3-3? It's 3-2.
That's a 9-1. Shut up. The match goes 9-1.
Alright, yo. Benny, give analysis.
What's his name? This guy.
What? Rafa?
Yeah, that's him.
Donkey?
Yeah, that's
Why?
Bro, we're not gonna lie, he was shooting from anywhere, bro. Like, literally missing goals. Bro, the ball is not on target.
Everyone was shooting, no one was scoring.
It's not on target. That's what I'm saying, bro. You know what I mean? So I'm giving it to him.
Last time I
he
saw
wasn't
OJ
getting involved
running-
in the game that much as well, bro.
Hiding. A lot of players hiding.
Next time, if I've got 5 men in front of me, I'll just run straight into them like OJ, innit?
That's
all you do, bro.
At least I did that.
We don't, bro. When you feed your striker and he listens,
Nah, striker was terrible.
once your striker misses 3 chances and then he goes missing, you've lost the game. I'm sorry. Once he goes and sits in his car after 20 minutes, we're finished. Bro, that was a great shot.
Just use one of them on
YouTube, bro.
Yeah, I'm ready for it. We had real peace agreements today, you know. Just Linus, Gabs, same team.
Bless.
Yeah?
Wow.
And then not just that, Ashraf and Shiraz, same team.
Wow.
That was about a fight.
They were about to fight. Oh, yeah, I saw.
We got on camera.
I saw this fight.
Why am I just hearing? Don't say sorry, don't do it. I don't know.
Let's interview Ash. Ash. Yo, at the start of the game, we heard a comment saying, "Don't say sorry if you don't mean it." Who are you directing that
every
as?
time, bro. Shiraz. Fam, he say every time he loses the ball, he's saying sorry. I'm like, nah, fam, I'm tired of hearing sorry, innit? Like, you don't mean it. You're just saying it for the sake of saying it, innit? So that's fine, man.
Love. Yo, winning team. How does it feel?
It was good,
It's been a while. You haven't been here, and you're winning.
I heard the standard went up, but 9-1. Come on, guys.
Like what?
We gotta wake up.
Like what?
I want to see you back here. I need to see the scoreline being closer.
Yeah. Sorry, can you say that again?
Yeah, the two captains got to be on the same ability.
Yeah.
Nathan and Wyke were two different.
Wait, so that Nathan's better or Wyke?
Oh, come on, bro. What you taking the piss, man? So Nathan is better. Nah.
Alright, what step does Nathan play?
No, on the
5.
pitch.
I can play step 4. Tell him.
Damn.
Nathan might be the better player, but tonight it didn't show at all.
Nah, I can't lie. People need to start putting respect on Wyke. No, actually, don't put respect on him. Forget that you. Forget
What I
that.
hate. What I hate. Wait. Let me give him a flash. Listen. Hey! I violated.
Alright, listen, boys. For someone who started kicking ball 2 years ago, he's a very good player.